ready to say goodbye to your Pandadoc account. Let's make that cancellation process smooth and straightforward. First things first, head over to the Pandadoc website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, locate your profile icon or settings gear. Usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard, click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select the option that says Settings or Account Settings. Now you'll be on your account settings page. Look for a section labeled Billing or Subscription. This is where your plan details are managed. Within the Billing or Subscription area, you should find a clear option to cancel subscription, manage subscription, or something similar. Click on this to proceed. Pandadoc might ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. You may also be prompted to provide feedback on why you're leaving. Fill this out if you wish, and then click the final confirmation button. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation message on screen, or you'll receive an email confirming that your Pandadoc account has been successfully deactivated. Remember, depending on your billing cycle, you might still have access until the end of your current paid period.